Good morning, everybody. Let me walk you through what we're going to be doing. I'm going to click on your class here. It's all about the research paper and slowly, methodically, not stressfully writing your research paper. My goal here is not to overwhelm you. If you look at the calendar and you just take it one thing at a time. I think writing this thing is actually going to be pretty doable. Anyway, let me show you where we are and what we're going to be doing this week. First of all, I'm going to click on our research paper stuff and get you into what you've seen. And I've added a couple of things. I've added a checkup assignment. And I've added a video called How to Do MLA in-text citations. Also, I'm going to go to our calendar up top. And on each day, I've kind of given you what I want you to do today. Today, your focus is on two things. You are going to finalize that working thesis statement. You've already gotten feedback on it. If you have not looked back at the feedback that I gave you on Schoology, go back to that submission and look at the feedback that I gave you. Secondly, you are going to be working on putting that information that you've researched into your outline. There is the outline link that is there. And like I said, my intention is not to overwhelm you. You are chipping away at your paper every single day. You're going to end up writing about a page a day. And just focus, really closely on that one paragraph every single day. And this paper should be super easy to write. So there's that. Tomorrow, you are actually going to be starting, you should have your outline finished, hopefully tomorrow. And tomorrow you are going to start writing the opposition side. So focus on your research and write methodically what the opposition says. Remember, in your thesis statement, you started it with, when discussing this topic, some people believe this. That's that paragraph, okay? So you are going to be writing that paragraph. I also want you to watch a video that I have linked to this here. It's also in the folder. Tomorrow you're going to be watching a about 10-minute video on how to do MLA in-text citations, and you're going to be writing me one page, this opposition paragraph. Then you are going to cut and paste, please, into one document the thesis statement that you've already written, your outline. Remember, it does not have to be full sentences. You are not writing your paper in an outline. You are not doing any of that. I am just wanting you to kind of get your head in the game and organize your thoughts like, okay, this makes sense, this makes sense, this makes sense, and start putting together that roadmap. And then I want to see that roadmap so I can kind of tell where you're thinking about going and give you some feedback. And then I want you to cut and paste that opposition paragraph onto that document as well. So you're going to be sending that to me for Wednesday. So there's that. And on Wednesday, that assignment, that checkup assignment that I just talked about, your thesis statement, your outline, and that first body paragraph. You're going to combine it onto one document and just ship it off to me via Schoology. And that is what you're going to be focused on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week. If you need me, please message. I'm available all day, every day. So please message me with questions on anything, and I can hopefully get you unstuck if you need that. Anyway, have a lovely day today and write me an outline. Thank you. Bye. Miss you.